Hello again, folks. I thought I would do another video, and this is for a silverline lever lock. There we are. This is about the same size as the Squire 550. There we go. Pretty much a copy. So there's for beating on the key for you. And we will do it. The open and the close. There we go. So yeah, as you all probably realise, I bought this recently from the Irish lock picker, our good friend Peter Lewis for King of Ireland. Oh, this focus is terrible this time. Sorry. Maybe it's reflecting my eyes. All will become clear. Pardon the pun. So I'm going to go in with a tool from UK lock pickers and a wire from UK lock pickers, and I'm just going to pop this in there. I've always been a fan of the Squires, and I've always wanted a silverline and a master lock one too, because they are very similar. I just like the style, you know, the character of the body and so on. So straight in on one and a bit of a movement on the bolt. That's, oh, there we go. Yeah, just like that. There we go. Let's get the tools out. So that was just a touch on one and a touch on four. Really? Somehow. But there you go. That's for silverline. Padlock. That's it for now, folks. Till next time. Ta-ra for now. Take care.